So I'm here today in Germany. I've been invited by Honda to officially witness this Guinness World Records attempt for the fastest acceleration from 0 to 100 miles per hour by a lawnmower. The vehicle must intrinsically look like a lawnmower to be accepted, and it also must be able to cut grass. We will be taking the average of 2 runs in opposite direction. They must be completed within 1 hour, and then we'll take the average of both runs. Now confirm that this lawnmower, built by Honda, Team Dynamics and driven by Jessica Hawkins, managed to accelerate from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6.285 seconds. And it therefore gives me great pleasure to officially recognise a new Guinness World Records title. Jessica Hawkins, you are officially amazing. Congratulations.